Last time we met the heart from the outside, a fist-sized muscle, 2 pumps in one. Now let's open it up and look inside, because in here, there's a clever design that makes the whole thing work. The inside of your heart isn't solid. It's hollow, divided into 4 rooms. We call these rooms chambers. 2 on top, 2 on the bottom. Let's meet them. The 2 top rooms are the Atria. Think of them as the waiting rooms. Their job is gentle. Catch the blood arriving back at the heart and hold it for a moment. The 2 bottom rooms are the ventricles. These are the power rooms. Their job is to squeeze hard and launch the blood out of the heart. Notice the difference. The atria on top are small, with thin walls. They only pass blood down a short distance. The ventricles below are big and muscular. They do the real pushing. And remember, the heart is 2 pumps. So you have a right atrium and right ventricle on one side, a left atrium and left ventricle on the other. 2 waiting rooms, 2 power rooms. Now, blood always flows the same direction through the heart, from a top room down into the bottom room, then out. But that creates a problem. When the ventricle squeezes hard, what stops the blood from shooting backward into the waiting room above? The answer is the heart's best trick: valves. Valves are one-way doors. They open to let blood through in the right direction, then snap shut to stop it from flowing back. Forward, yes. Backward, never. There's a valve between each top room and the bottom room beneath it. Blood drops down through the open door into the ventricle. Then the ventricle squeezes, the door slams shut, and the blood has nowhere to go but out. And there's a second valve at each ventricle's exit. The doorway out to the big arteries. It opens as blood rushes out, then shuts so none can fall back in. So your heart has 4 valves in total, 4 one-way doors opening and closing in perfect timing, keeping blood always moving forward through the pump. And now you finally understand that famous sound, Lub-Dub. The lub is the first pair of doors slamming shut as the ventricles squeeze. The dub is the exit doors closing as the ventricles relax. 2 sets of doors, 2 sounds, every single beat. That's what a doctor hears through a stethoscope. Your valves? Clicking shut in rhythm. If a valve doesn't seal properly, the sound changes, and that tells the doctor something's wrong. Let's trace the whole journey once. Blood arrives in a waiting room. It falls through a one-way door into a power room. The power room squeezes. The first door slams, the exit door opens, and the blood launches out into the body. Both sides do this at the same time in perfect sync. Right side sending blood to the lungs, left side sending it to the body. 1 beat, 4 chambers, 4 doors, flawless timing. 4 rooms to hold and to push. 4 doors to keep it all moving one way. That's the simple, brilliant machinery inside every heartbeat, including the one happening in your chest right now.